Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in if you have institutional access. This unlocks full-text links. Type a concise query of 3 to 6 focused keywords, add the author's surname or a year to narrow results. Put exact phrases in quotes and prepend a minus sign to drop irrelevant topics. Once done, glance at the snippets to check relevance. Make sure to try a second query with alternate synonyms or abbreviations to catch variant terminology. Now refine results using filters on the left, limit by year to recent work, or include older foundational papers, toggle patents or citations when relevant. Click Cited By to follow influence chains and use related articles to discover similar studies. Open Advanced Search to target title, author, or publication fields for surgical precision. As you sift, compare abstracts and note recurring journals. This quickly reveals whether you're hitting the right subfield. Finish by obtaining and organizing the article. Click PDF links or all versions to find free copies, and use your institution's link resolver for paywalled items. Save entries with the Save Star and export citations in BibTX, EndNote, or RIS formats for your reference manager. If access is blocked, email the author, check their university page, or request the article through interlibrary loan. This one troubleshooting step often yields full text when other routes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.